welcome Expo again. Ayan puno oh.
Yun yung last year pa nga yun dyan eh.
Dapat nga talaga tayo nagdadala na ng pansibak.
Si Mel, meron pa si Bak yun. Yun yung Mel na dyan na si Bangers.
Saan sila?
Ayun na. Kita na nila tayo. Paano cover the rice now? You can reach the... Bilisan natin. Lock it. Because I will drive fast here in the soft sand spot.
Yan ang CR.
Yun eh.
And then ito ang ating papasukan kasi doon tayo sa isolated area.
Baka sumunod itong mga to ah.
Ay, hindi.
Ay, sumunod.
Aba, may nauna na sa atin.
Hindi.
Aba, may ano sila. Then talaga.
Ayaw pala naman eh.
Mga Pinoy.
Ikaw na mag-drive oh.
Me.
Diba?
Yeah. No, let's switch. Let's switch now.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Natin ha? You know,
Ah, dapat din ako sa
little
likod.
bit hill.
Wait, which one? You see the belt.
Ah, sure.
No need for me.
Handbrake.
Which way?
This. Press up. Up, you press up. Down. Then, go to the brake. Brake first.
Brake?
No, don't use the left. Use right.
Only.
Here drive.
What? Oh.
Slowly. Slowly. Don't be excited. Slowly. Why are you laughing? Ay, minauna na? Ay, oo nga. Doon sila pumesto sa taas, oh. Oh.
O, tinan mo yan, ha?
Slowly. Don't press. It's automatic. Minauna na nga din, oh. Go.
Follow the path.
Yeah, just follow the path.
Magugulat si Nabella.
Where are you saying go left? Where?
Taas.
What?
Go up.
Up.
Follow him where he will.
Where?
Because you just avoid this because it's so hot, so deep. Go there, go. Left.
Left.
Where?
Slowly. Straight. Go left. Don't press, huh? Up. Press. Then go there. Wait, here, straight here.
There's...
Yeah, you go there.
Here?
Straight. We'll turn around here.
Oh, go right?
Yeah. You see the path?
Yeah.
Yeah, go there. Don't press much. Full turn. Slowly. Don't press the gas much. Slowly, huh?
Stop.
No, move. Follow brother. Right. Don't press much. Don't press much. Go there. Right, right, right. Slowly, don't press much. Wait.
Oh.
No. Stop, stop.
Daddy na.
Daddy na.